Raise your hand if you're excited to browse Friday. I know I am. I'm digital meteorologist Whitney Williams in the WGN First Alert Weather Now streaming studio. And this forecast update thanks to Farm and Home Supply. For our Friday, we briefly start off with some sun and then clouds quickly stream in ahead of our next cold front. By the time we head later into the afternoon, the Missouri side, Lee County getting in on some showers, and then that trend will continue for everyone as we head through the rest of the afternoon and evening. We'll even get some downpours, maybe some lightning, some thunder, but thankfully nothing severe. And now models are still showing some of that rain even into the night. But what does the rest of the weekend look like? Well, to find that out, just simply stream WGN First Alert Weather Now.